Guys, today we'll do an airplane. Now, when we'll make the airplane to fly. Now, let's start the airplane. Alright. Now, press Shift A on the keyboard, press Mesh, then press Sphere. Press Tab, press SX, scale it. Press the right mouse, then press Ctrl 7 on the number pad, press Tab. Now go to the faces, press Shift Alt, press these, all of these. Now press Select, Circle Select. Select these, press the right mouse on the keyboard, okay. Now press 1 on the number pad, then press S, or you can press Scale, then press Z to the Z axis, then press 0 on the keyboard, then Enter. Now make it up, then press Top, press A, then press From Solid to Wireframe, then press Select, Border Select. Now select these faces, then press X on the keyboard, then press Faces. Now press from Wireframe to Solid, and from Edit Mode to Object Mode. Now press. We will make a subdivision surface for this airplane. You need to open this. Open it. Now press from here, press Add Modify Subdivision Surface. Make these two. Do not press the Apply button. Now press 1, press Tab, press Shift, go to the Edges button, to the Vertex button, press Shift Alt, press these, and press EX little bit, then press EX again, once or time, EX once or time, EX. This time we'll make the big EX, then press E. Or if you don't know what is the E, you can press Extrude Region. Now you can press X on the keyboard, make it big. Now press from View to Right, press the right. Now press Scale, scale it in. Now press Inset Faces. Press, make this S, scale, then press Make Edge Faces. Then scale it up, here make it up. Now press 1 on the number pad, press Tab. Then press the Smooth button. Now let's make the material for it. Press the New. Let's name this airplane. Airplane here. Now we'll change the diffuse BCDF. To change the diffuse BCDF, press to the diffuse BCDF, press Mix Shader, make this to 1000, and press the next none, diffuse BCDF, and press the last none, make it glossy BCDF this time. Make this to 0. Press to the preview button. Now, we already done what we do. Now let's make another material. Press the New button. Name this Glass. Here, name this Glass. Now from Diffuse button to Glass BCDF. Now press the Tab. Let's make it up here. Press to the Faces button. Press to the edges. Select these. Press Shift Ctrl MB. Then scale it. Press Escape. Why is not happening? Oh, we should make for apply button. Press tab. Now press circle, select it, zoom in, select all of these. Okay, don't select these. We need to select all of these. Now select these now, and now select these. This time select this. Now press Ctrl and B. Shift Ctrl and B. Press Ctrl and B, not Shift Ctrl and B. Press A. Select the faces button. Let's make this material glass. Now go press to the material button, make for a sign, then press tab. You see in the tab button, you cannot see the glass. If you want to see it, press to the color, make this white, press to the settings, then press this to viewport color white. Now you can see it. Now if you press from solid to rendered, you see here is our airplane. It's not done. You can press Shift Z to switch from rendered to solid and from solid to rendered. Now press 1 on the upper pad, front. Press 7. Now press 1, press Shift A, then press Mesh, then press Plane. Press RX90. Press from object mode to edit mode. Press A to deselect everything. Now press to the vertices. Press to these vertices. Make it in here just like this. Press to this vertex to like this. Make this just in a little bit. Okay. Now press from edit mode to object mode. Now make this down. Now press from object, transform origin to geometry. Press RZ 180. Enter. Now by pressing 7 on the number pad, or you can press top here like this, make it down, make this here, then press from object mode to edit mode. Press A to deselect everything and press A to select everything. It looks like an orange. Now press extrude region, press to the scale it like this, then press A to deselect everything, then press A again to select everything. Now press on the keyboard Control N. Then press from edit mode to object mode. Now press for it smooth button. Let's make a material. Press the new button. Now press Shift Z. You see here our plane is not finished. Press Shift Z and press 1. Now press Shift D. Press RX 90. Make this G here. Press G on the keyboard. Make this down. Press S skeleton. Make this here. Press Shift D again. Press Y this time. Press RZ 180. Now make it here. Now let's join them. So press Shift on the keyboard, select these three, then press the Enjoin button. Press Shift Z, it's look good. Now Shift Z. Now let's make another thing. Then press 7 on the press Shift A, match the plane. Press Tab. Press SZ, press Y, scale it, then press SX, press S a little bit, then press G, press RZ, G. Now make it down. Then press Tab, A once more time, press Z, select these two face vertices, then scale it up by pressing Scale, scale it, then press from wireframe to solid. Select these two vertices, then press Scale, scale it down. Now press 7, yes, then press Tab, press G here, press Shift G, press Shift T like this, then press RZ 180. Then press RY, hey, press Z, not Y. Then press G like this, once more time, press RZ, just like this. Then select these two by pressing Control J, or you can press the join button. Now select Object, Transform, Origin to Geometry. Press Tab. Now press A, then press E. By pressing A to select everything, press Ctrl N on the keyboard. Now press to the faces, select this, press E, select S. Now by pressing here E, press from Merge to Alt Center, press down here like this too, press here E again, press here too, Merge Alt Center. Let's make it to the other. Press here E, press S, press E, press Merge Alt Center. Let's make it to the last one, E, and press Merge Alt Center. Now press the tab. Now let's join it to the airplane. Press Shift Control J. By pressing Shift Z, here's looking good. This is looking good. Now let's do our job. Now by pressing, let's say what have we done? We've done so far. Now by pressing File, Save, name this airplane. Now 0.002, I'll name this. Press Save as blender file. Now by pressing 1, Control S. Now there are two parts in this teaching airplane. The first part is finished now. Now let's see. Now in the second part, we will do here wheels and here glasses. Now thanks for watching to the part 1, and I'll see you in the part 2. Cheers.